recording button, sorry. So for your final exam, first you will submit your writing portfolio, and second you will second thing is you will go through an oral viva. Okay? I'm not asking you to do presentations now. We will do an oral viva. There is possibility that I will go this way. In oral viva, you will respond to my questions related to your favorite columnist, and you will talk about reasons for liking that columnist. So viva will be worth 20% weightage, and your writing portfolio submission will be 30% weightage. A week before this, I will also give you a detailed rubric that will tell you how am I going to assess your writing portfolio, and how am I going to assess your oral viva. There is this change in your assessment plan that I wanted to share with you all. Now I'll let you ask questions if you have any.
So ma'am, good morning.
Good
Maheen
morning,
at
Maheen. Good morning.
Ma'am, so we don't have to make a presentation.
No, you don't.
Okay. Okay.
I have
Okay.
combined both of them.
Okay.
Because we have been doing this fully online teaching for most of the time, and that is not giving me enough time for assessments. I have combined the two. Okay? Any other
Okay,
question?
ma'am.
Any other question?
तो मैम हम पर्सनली जूम सेशन ज्वाइन करेंगे आपके साथ और वाइवा क्वेश्चंस से करेंगे.
Very good question. I will either set up a Zoom meeting or I may do that viva on phone. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
College has given me a like I have a phone line at university in my office, so I can either do that viva on phone or in Zoom setting. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
But there will be an oral viva along with the submission of writing portfolio. This is how I'm going to assess you toward the end of the semester.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. अच्छा, this was an important announcement. Second important announcement is about your writing session. So far we have done 3 writing sessions. ठीक है? You all know that. Whenever I ask you to do writing session, you get the invite for the Google Doc almost an hour before the class or 2 hours before the class. Please be mindful of the fact that you are supposed to work on that during the class time. I certainly do not want you to take up time for your other classes. And those of you who take part in the activity, I appreciate them, but I can comment on your work, I can edit your work to help you improve your writing only if you take part in that activity during that day. Okay? I received many emails of students who were saying me that, ma'am, I had this issue or that issue, so I have worked on that activity a day after the rest of the class did it, or 2 days after. I cannot, go back to that Google Doc file and keep commenting and editing people's work. I'll only help or I'll only comment on those people's work who take part in the activity during that day. And I gave a detailed feedback to everyone. You may have noticed this. I read every single word that you wrote, because this is an opinion writing class, and I'm helping you learn writing. I'm helping you improve your writing, especially journalistic writing. Okay? This was another important announcement that I wanted to share. Now, before I begin, let me tell you a brief summary, a brief overview of what we will be doing during this week. Today, I'm recording this virtual session. Soon after we end this session, I'm going to upload it on Moodle. For Wednesday, I will upload a recorded lecture, a detailed recorded lecture on Moodle. That will be for our class on Wednesday. I will upload it sometime in later afternoon. And for our class on Friday, I will send a detail of activity that you will need to work on. And then this is what we will be doing during this week. Any questions?
So ma'am, we are not supposed to join the Zoom link for Wednesday and Friday.
No, there will be no virtual sessions like today. For your class on Wednesday, you will receive recordings of lectures. Please see them. Okay? For your class on Friday, I will upload a document of activity like I always do. I will upload a document of activity, work on that activity. And if you have any question related to my recorded lecture that I upload on Wednesday or activity, of course you can ask me question in our next virtual session on Monday. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fourth and last announcement. Soon after I end this virtual session, I am going to upload a PDF file on Moodle. That is a chapter, a book chapter. Its title is What is a Feature? I'm going to write it in the chat box. Sorry, just give me a minute. Acha ji. I'm so sorry for the sentence that I sent earlier. It was my typing mistake. I was trying to write quickly. But what is the feature? This is the book chapter that I'm going to upload. It's 10 pages long chapter. Please read it thoroughly during this week and come prepared to talk about it in the next week. Okay, any questions about the announcement that I have shared with you? If no, then I'll begin. Any question?
Ma'am, I just joined. Can you please repeat it? I just joined the class.
Is that for Bakhtavar?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Bakhtavar, I was saying that I will upload a record. Well, for Wednesday, I'll upload a recorded lecture. That will be for your class on Wednesday. For your class on Friday, I will send an activity on Moodle. So no virtual session for Wednesday and Friday. Just be on the lookout for my recorded lecture for your class on Wednesday and be on the lookout for an activity for my class on Friday. And today I'm going to upload a book chapter, which is a PDF file. Its title is What is a Feature? Please read it thoroughly during the week.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And you may have missed many other important announcements, Bakhtavar. Of course, a recording of this session will be available on Moodle. Please see that after I end the session. Okay, let's begin today's activity. So I asked you to work on a question, and the question was that how would you make a comparison between a newspaper column and a newspaper feature? Who would like to go first? Talk about similarities and talk about differences as well. Who would like to go first?
Ma'am, I wrote some
Your voice is breaking up.
points for that.
Who is speaking?
Ma'am, I wrote some points, so should I
Fatma?
share?
Sure, go ahead. Abdullah, turn on your camera. Abdullah Hussain.
Yes.
If you do not turn on your camera, I'm going to exclude you from the session.
Ma'am, it's on. Okay, let me just rotate the camera.
Okay, go ahead, Fatma. What did you write?
Ma'am, one of the points that I wrote was that features do not have a specific, while columns are printed on a specific space, like in Dawn, we see it always on the opinion side. And columns are not as colorful or as the features are, because the columns have more pictures in them as well, while features have more pictures in them, while the column has usually only one picture, and most of the times they don't have any pictures in them as well.
Okay, very good. So these are two differences that you observed.
Yes, there are more as well.
Okay. Can you talk about any similarity, Fatma? Can you talk about any similarity?
Ma'am, they give this author's point of view sometimes. They both are giving the author's point of view most of the time.
Acha. Can I ask others? Let's say what others have to say, and if they miss any important point that you have in your list, please speak up. Okay? All right.
Yeah.
Who will go next?
Yes, ma'am.
Aksa, your turn. And then I'll let Maheen speak, and after that, I'll let anyone else speak. Aksa, go ahead, Aksa.
Ma'am, column and features both have author's introduction in the end.
Yes, ma'am. We both
Okay.
have byline.
Okay, so are you talking about byline or brief intro of author?
Ma'am, brief intro.
Brief intro. Actually, they have both. Very good. I'll talk about that in a minute. This is Aksa. Wait a minute. Aksa, anything else? This was a similarity that you discussed.
Yes, ma'am, and they are always on very light topic. अगर वो कोई mainstream topic भी cover कर रहे हैं, वो उसका भी कोई light aspect ही जो है वो cover करते हैं.
What is on light topic? Feature or column?
Ma'am, feature.
Feature is on light topic. What do you mean by that?
Ma'am, like they have humorous tone. The one I was reading was about PDM jalsas in Lahore, na. So they compare Lahore's matlab desire for food and how they are sure what they want to eat, but they are not sure what they want to, like who they want to select and like others. So I find like humorous tone in it. So that's why I thought maybe they are on very light topic.
ठीक है. She's saying that they are humorous as well sometimes. All right. Maheen, you can go now. And then Safa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, column has one highlight, but feature has many.
Column,
The
okay,
word-
acha, theek hai. I understand what you mean.
Okay, ma'am. And columns word limit is to 500 to 1,000 words,
Mm-hmm.
but features word limit is 500 to 3,000 words.
ठीक है. I have noted your point. I'll discuss them in a minute. ठीक है. Safa,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can go next. Safa.
Ma'am, column has one headline, but feature has many, like on page.
ठीक है.
And column usually have one paragraph, while feature have large and many paragraphs. Sorry.
What's the last part? Can you say it again? I missed it. Sorry.
Column usually have one paragraph, while features have
Just
many
one
paragraphs.
paragraph. I'm not sure. Column also has many paragraphs.
Mainly not.
Say it again. Can you hear me, Safa?
Ma'am, it's like
Mm-hmm.
not only one paragraph, but it's like one paragraph sometimes. And
So you're talking about length. What you are saying is that the length of column is shorter than the length of feature. ठीक है? ये कह रही हैं आप? Is this what you are saying, Safa?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Anyone
Yes,
else?
ma'am.
Ma'am, column usually. Can I tell one word?
Yes.
Let Bakhtavar go first, and then I'll come to you, Maheen. Yes, Bakhtavar.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what I have wrote, everybody have covered, but I want to like add in it that the feature is limited in information. Column is limited information, but feature is a detailed, like it's a detailed write up. And other thing is like Mahina, I said told about the word limit, so that's what I'm saying, that column has a fixed word limit, but feature is lengthy than column.
Okay, thank you. It's a good observation. Maheen, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, column is written under a same topic, but feature can be written under many different topics.
What do you mean by that?
Different headlines.
I'm not sure.
Ma'am,
What do you mean by that?
Ma'am, like column is written under the same topic. Like there's only one topic, and the column is written under that. But feature can be written under different topics.
Again, I'm not sure. Like you mean feature, like there can be a political column. For example, Hassan Nisar usually likes political columns. However,
Yes, ma'am.
feature can be about politics,
Yes,
social
ma'am.
problems. Is this what you are saying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, that's another good point. Is everyone done? Fatma, do you have anything to add to this?
Yes, ma'am. I want to share that, like, in columns, most of the authors publish under the same title. That is, like, Hamid Mir always publish under Kalam Kaman, I think, and others have similar names for their write-ups. But in features, there are different titles.
Yes.
For every.
Very good. Very good. Okay, are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for now I am going to explicate what you have already said, what you all have said. However, in my recorded lecture that I am going to upload on Wednesday, you will get much more details. Not only that, you will also get information related to what are different functions of feature, what are different objectives of feature, what does feature do for us. All right, let's discuss. I'll begin from Fatma. Fatma said that feature has a specific place. Column has a specific place which is different from feature. Feature does not have a specific place. It's absolutely correct. Now let me discuss this. Let me tell you that okay, you all know Atar Abbas. He's a famous columnist. How many of you are familiar with Atar Abbas? I'm sure all of you are. Atar Abbas is a famous columnist. He writes in Nawai Waqt, and he writes with a permanent head, Kankriyan. He writes in Nawai Waqt, and his column always appears on the second page of the newspaper. It means whenever I get my copy of Nawai Waqt, I will straight go to second page to find his column. There is fixed space for his column. Similarly, Pervez Hoodbai's article, whenever he writes on Sunday, his article appears on opinion pages, either on page 5 or page 6 of Dawn newspaper. If I am a reader of Pervez Hoodbai's column, I will get my copy of Dawn newspaper and I will straight go to page 5 or page 6 to find his column. It's not like I have to go through every page of newspaper to find his column. There is fixed space for that. However, this is different for feature. You can find features anywhere. Mostly you find them in Sunday magazines. That is why I asked you to read TNS. Okay? You can also find features in famous magazines like Time magazine, like Reader's Digest. Not only that, you can also find features in weekly editions of newspapers. What is the meaning of weekly edition? There is newspaper Nawai Waqt. They publish a weekly edition. Its name is Qaumi Ufaq, and I believe they publish it every Tuesday. Similarly, have you seen special editions on Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha? There are always special editions on special occasions like Eid, like Independence Day, like Defense Day. They publish special editions, and you can find features there as well. Similarly, there is another magazine, Instep, which is published by D News. There is another magazine, You, She, Us. They publish all these magazines and you can find features there. So see, there is no specific place for feature. However, there is a specific place for column. This is a very big difference that Fatma explained and Fatma shared with us. Then another very important difference that Fatma shared with us is she said that features are colorful. Okay, now let me explain this. How are features colorful? Uh, you read contents from TNS, right? Pick up any copy of Sunday magazine that you have, a physical copy that you have at your home. It can be even Akhbar-e-Jahan. It is a magazine. It has features. You go to any page and you will say that you will see that they pay special consideration to layout. By layout, I mean the appearance, the overall designing. You see, the overall feature seems to be colorful, first of all, because of pictorial display. It has many pictures. It has box stories. And when I was explaining, I don't remember where in my recorded lecture I explained box story to you. Can anyone recall what a box story is? What is a box story? A box story is they extract important information from a write-up, from a content, and then they put it separately in the form of a box. It seems the purpose is to highlight some important information out of it. The purpose is to let important information stand out in a piece of writing. It is hard to observe box stories in online versions of newspapers. However, they can be easily identified in physical copies of magazines. That is why I'm asking you to go over any physical copy of any magazine that you may have at home. Okay, so that is, I mean, features have pictorial display, a lot of pictorial display. They pay special consideration to its layout. Not only that, there are also box stories. There are many headlines. I think Safa talked about this headline thing. Yeah, Safa Zahid said that column has headlines. Sorry, feature has more headlines than columns. And the purpose is they pay special consideration to the layout of feature. All right. Then Aksa, she talked about brief intro at the end. Both have, she was actually referring to a similarity that both of them have. That's a good observation, Aksa. There is another similarity, both columns and features they have bylines. Okay? Then Maheen said that
Ma'am, I just added another point.
mhm.
Columns can be written in first person, like
Very
subjective,
good, very good.
but features can be written in objective.
ठीक है. Very good job. So Maheen raised another a very good point. It's of course related to her close observation. Columns, you can see I approach. Columnist is being very subjective about his viewpoints. You can see you can read any column and they openly say, I went there, I saw this happening, I observed this, I think this should be this way. See, there is this I approach, a strong I approach that you can observe when you read a column. However, a feature, they usually write it in third person style. So let's say if I'm writing a feature related to global warming, climate change, I will do my research. Then not only that, I will also I may interview some persons. I may interview a professor who teaches a course on environmental sciences. Similarly, I may interview anyone from the environment protection department from government. See, now I am incorporating their viewpoints. I am writing about what other experts are saying. So that there is no, I mean, there are many important viewpoints that I'm adding to my write-up. So technically, I mean, I shouldn't write it with an I approach. That is why a feature is written in a third person narration style. However, a column is written in a first person narration style. When I was at your stage, when I was pursuing my undergrad studies as a mass comm major student at Lahore College for Women, let me tell you, I wrote a feature on kajal, a cosmetic item that many women wear in their eyes. And I heard, from where did I begin? My starting point was just a speculation. A few people in my family strongly believe that this is not good for eyes. If you wear a kajal, it's not good for that was my starting point, a question. And then I came to know that a professor in the chemistry department of Lahore College for Women, where I was studying, where I was pursuing my my undergrad studies, a professor there, she did her research for her MPhil. She did her research on this element. I think that this is called antimony. I have forgotten. So this is they use an element in the preparation of this cosmetic item. So I contacted that professor. I set up an appointment with her, and at someday I sat down. I went to her office. I discussed with her that, see, I am a mass communication student, and when I was of your age, maybe I told you I used to write in The Nation newspaper. If we were in a face-to-face setting or on campus, I had planned to show you my articles that published in newspapers. But yeah, I did my research, whatever I could. I went to my university's library. I got some books, and even I asked that professor to refer some books to me that I could use for my research. And I went to that professor's office. I talked to her about her research, and she explained to me that how through her research she came to know that some of the elements that they use in the preparation of kajal is really toxic and harmful for human eye. And that was a very good interview. The interview lasted for maybe an hour or so, and then she referred to me some many good sources, books. I read some books. Of course, that was a time-taking thing, and for a student who was already in final years of our undergrad program, it was like kind of very hectic. But I did my research and I wrote a feature, and then I took it to a resident editor of the Nation newspaper. They went over my draft and they said, yes, we will publish it. So it got published in the Sunday magazine of the Nation. And when I saw my name appearing in the newspaper with my work, it was of course really exciting. So I was telling you that a feature, the writing of feature essentially involves research, and it may involve the viewpoint of other writers. Like you may have to interview someone. This is the reason why a column usually is written in first person narration style. However, a feature is written in third person narration style. With that, I will move to Maheen. Some more points shared by Maheen. She said that column has highlights. I have already talked about this. Then she said feature is longer. Yes, features are longer in length as compared to columns. If a columnist is given 1,000 words, for example, I am a columnist and I write in a newspaper. They have given me a word limit of 1,200 words. I may exceed to 1,300 words, but of course not more than that. They have given me a space. I should confine myself to the space allocated to me. I can write I can write 1,200 words long article. However, for feature, I do not have any word limit. You may have seen, you may observe, you see a copy of a magazine, you see a feature begins from this page, it may continue to this page, and then it may continue to this page as well, which means the feature may be of 3 pages long. Some features may continue to 5 pages as well. When Princess Diana died, I think it was in 1997 or 1998, a year after her death, when her first death anniversary came, I remember reading an article in Akhbar-e-Jahan, reading a feature in Akhbar-e-Jahan, which was 5 pages long. Okay? So features can be, writers have the liberty in terms of length when it comes to feature writing. Safa also talked about length. Bakhtawar said that limited column is limited, and this is the same thing that I have discussed. It's limited in word limit. However, feature is detailed. It's the same thing. Okay. And then Fatma said that, lastly, Fatma said that feature appears with permanent head, features use, columns appear with permanent head, features use different styles. That is correct, yes. Permanent head style is more prevalent, is more observable in Urdu newspapers as compared to English newspapers. So like the styles may vary from newspaper to newspaper. However, there are some things that are universally adopted or universally practiced. Anyways, with that, I have ended the discussions. I appreciate you all for wonderful participation, and you will get some more points when I upload my lecture on Moodle this coming Wednesday. All right, and please read the notes.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, sorry, I just came. I just wanted to add something. If I am not really, I went through the entire thing that you uploaded. I just wanted to say, is there a difference that when there is a feature and the feature can be on a lot of topics, like a wide range of topics, but the genre of the column revolves around a certain that has been set? Is it true or it's not? Like it is a genre that the writer sticks to, the kind of topics related to it, but feature can have a lot of topics. Does that happen, if I'm
Yes.
right?
So a column can have a column can has a genre in the sense that there are political columnists. Hassan Nisar usually writes political columns. Okay? Then Rafia Zakaria is another columnist who usually writes feminist, like they are adhered to a particular genre. However, feature can entail a number of topics. You can find features related to traveling, you can find features related to sports, you can find features related to like movies. There are so many things. Feature is very detailed, and it's kind of, it goes on an it has an expanded landscape. Does that answer your question, Seerath? Okay, any other question? I have 5 minutes left for this session. Any other question?
Ma'am, you asked me to remind you about my med in this meeting.
Okay, Hamna, you came pretty late for the session. I expect you to come on time next time, please. Now, if you do not have, if rest of you do not have any question, Fatma, you have a question. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I had one question that like in digital news stories, there are usually more pictures like compared to the ones published in a newspaper. So wouldn't they resemble a feature as well? Because they have pictures, more pictures as well. I don't know. I'm confused a bit.
Yes. I think you will get your answer. You will become clearer when we study reviews. Soon after we finish features, we will switch to the study of reviews. Many of them are reviews as well. Many of them are just articles, just I mean random articles. They neatly do not fall in the category of features. They can be taken as review articles or simple articles. But when it comes to features, its horizon is really expanded, just like I told Sirat. So many of them can be features. But if you want a specific answer, please bring an example in next class and we'll discuss this more. Okay?
Okay, sure. I have an example in mind.
Sure. Acha bete, for the rest of you, I'll ask you to leave now and only leave Hamna and me in the virtual room so that I can discuss her missed exam with her. Thank you so much and goodbye. You all may leave now. Please leave.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Otherwise, I may remove you from the session. It should be only me and Amna.